Hello you guys, my name is Natalie. So today I'm gonna be showing you how I would get ready for a first date. My last first date was like over a year ago and it was kind of last minute, but if he lets you know in advance, you know, and all that cool stuff, yeah, I hope you get some inspiration out of this. Also, I usually have my room in my background, but if you guys like this more, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below if you prefer backdrops or if you prefer the bedroom backdrop, I guess you could say. Whichever you guys feel or like better, let me know below. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe below, leave any comments, give it a big thumbs up if you guys make it to the end, and if you don't, also give it a thumbs up, and I guess continue watching. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by putting this on. It's just a face serum. Then I'm gonna get my disgusting, well, it's not, I actually did just wash it, but it's stained, so that's why it has all of that. So today I'm using the Super Stay Maybelline in color 310. I always try to go around and freaking twist it, but it's pop up. Just drag it around. Yeah, I made my sponge. So I'm not actually going on a date today. I'm gonna go eat with my cousins. And my sister, and maybe at night I'll go, maybe I'll go out with my boyfriend. I'm not sure yet. But I want to be ready for all of that so I don't have to come back home and get ready. Does that match? It looks matched. Look at my freaking eyebrows. My eyebrows are so bad. I'll fix them, don't worry. And then I'm gonna use my ABH stick in color banana. I haven't used this yet, but I did, so I bought this at TJ Maxx and it was swatched, so I went ahead and just scraped the top part off, and I just finished cleaning it with alcohol, so hopefully it's sanitized. Okay, and then I'm gonna get my super cheap but super good Wet n Wild concealers. I have the Tarte, but I don't know. I've been liking these lately, so I've been like just sticking to these, even though I'm running out almost. So I know since this is the first day, you don't want to look too cakey. I mean, unless you want to, all power to you, but the first time me and my boyfriend went on a first date, I was actually coming out of work. I had been hinting like, oh, we should hang out sometime, and he never asked me. Finally finally he asked me and I tripped him. But yeah, I was coming out of work and I was like, he was like, you know, if you're too tired, that's fine. I was like, no, let's go. And yeah, I made it work. I just came home and changed. Yeah, so I was not wearing thick makeup. I think I was coming out of work, so I usually never wear makeup to work. If I do, it's like very minimal. And so I was coming out of work and I just came back, put some jeans on, or was I wearing jeans? I think I was wearing jeans. Ah, my brow! I just put like a flannel on and we went out on a date, and that was that. And then it was actually really nice. We actually stayed out talking. Why am I doing this? I already did this. We stayed out talking in the back of his truck, so romantic, for like 2 hours, and it was really nice. That's actually what's not sold me, but that's why I chose him, because I feel like now it's really hard to actually find someone that you can talk to, you know. I feel like most guys are not interested in that. Okay, next I'm gonna take my ear spun. This is so used and broken, like I definitely need a new one. Look at this. I really do need a new one. So I'm taking this one in color neutral. For today's look, I'm gonna be using two palettes. I'm gonna use the Carli Bybel and the ABH Prism. I feel like this is like the perfect first date palette, if you ask me. It has all these super cute new this color right. Okay, next I'm gonna get this color from the palette in this brush. And that right there. Then I'm gonna get this big fluffy brush and get Lure on the ABH palette. This one. Then I'm gonna get a softer color. So I'm gonna get this one right here. And I'm gonna use this kind of like to diffuse out the outer part. Parallel right here. The little brush. I'm just gonna barely put that in there. So this is what we have so far. Okay, so we're gonna take this one up here. Okay, I just sprayed some setting spray on there, and I'm gonna get that pink color. Just put it right in the middle. Okay, so I went ahead and finished this other eye. I'm just gonna go ahead and clean it up, and then I'm gonna go put in inner corner highlight, and then I'll do the rest. So I'm gonna speed it up. Okay, so I just went ahead and put on eyelashes. I'm just gonna add mascara just so they like blend in. Am I gonna leave it here? Of course not. I'm gonna add some bronzer. So I'm gonna take the Anastasia Beverly Hills kit. I'm gonna use these two colors. And personally me, I don't like to have like a super cut like contour. I kind of like it when it blends in with my skin. So that's why I use a big brush. I don't really go in there and use like a super precise brush just because I don't like how that looks, at least on me. So this is that. I'm gonna put some lip liner on because you know, pelos. Because you know I can't go anywhere. This one is the Mauve. This, and then I'm gonna take the Hug Me. I'm gonna take the Aurora Anastasia kit, and then I like to mix both of these two right here. Okay, and that is it. This is really what I would do, you know, like for the first date. I feel like it's cute, but it's still like not a lot, you know, because you know you can still show that you're glam, but you know it doesn't show like too much. I don't know. This is just what I would do. So here it is. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe below. Go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up if you did like it. And also go ahead and comment anything if you guys do want to tell me anything, if you guys do anything similar, anything like that, go ahead and let me know below. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys on the next one. Bye.